Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chocolate-covered strawberries using only your stovetop. First, choose about 1 pound of fresh, ripe strawberries, ensuring their green stems are still attached. Carefully wash them under cool water, then dry each berry completely with a paper towel. This crucial step prevents any water from interfering with your chocolate. Finally, prepare a baking sheet by lining it with parchment paper. This will be your cooling station. Now let's melt our chocolate. You'll need a double boiler, or you can create one by placing a heat-proof bowl over a small pot of simmering water, ensuring the bowl doesn't touch the water. Add about 12 ounces of your favorite chocolate, like semi-sweet or milk chocolate chips, to the bowl. Stir gently and continuously with a rubber spatula until the chocolate is completely smooth and glossy, taking care not to overheat it. With your chocolate perfectly melted, it's time for the fun part, dipping. Hold each strawberry by its green stem, then submerge it into the warm, melted chocolate, leaving a small portion of the stem exposed. Gently twist the berry as you pull it out, and lightly tap it against the bowl's edge to allow any excess chocolate to drip off. Carefully place each chocolate-covered strawberry onto your parchment-lined baking sheet. Once all your strawberries are dipped, let them cool at room temperature for about 10 minutes to begin setting. For a firm, glossy finish, transfer the baking sheet to the refrigerator and chill for at least 30 minutes, or until the chocolate is completely firm. These delightful treats are best enjoyed fresh, but you can store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. Enjoy your homemade chocolate-covered strawberries.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.